Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how hard is it to get a job at Bank of America. Open your browser and visit careers.bankofamerica.com, the official site for all Bank of America job openings. Use the search bar to enter keywords for the role you're looking for, such as customer service, internship, or financial analyst. You can also filter results by location, experience level, or department to find the most relevant positions. When you find a suitable job, click the job title to view its full description, including responsibilities and required qualifications. If it matches your profile, click Apply Now. Create an account or log in, then complete the online application form and upload your updated resume. Make sure your resume aligns with the job requirements. Once submitted, the Bank of America recruitment team may contact you for an interview or the next steps. By following these steps, you can easily apply for a job at Bank of America directly from your browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.